As promised from last time, I'm going to talk about children being passed down in props. In React, children of components get treated in a very special way.
Say we have a React component. React children are any JSX elements inside of this component. If a component has child elements, they're automatically passed down as a prop called children.
Here we have these 4 display images and this button, but let's say we wanted to have some sort of wrapper around this whole section. What that might look like is a component called wrapper. Rather than have to pass down a function into wrapper to render this child, what we can do is use the children prop. Let's create a component and call this page wrapper.jsx. This will be doing page wrapper equals return. For now, I'm just going to return a div export default page wrapper and come over here, import page wrapper from component/page wrapper. And I'm actually going to replace this div with page wrapper. Then, oh no, the right side of our page, the browser, everything went away. That's because these are all children within this page wrapper. They don't automatically get rendered unless you're actually specifying within the component to render these children. You can just access these children within page wrapper. I'm just going to console.log this props object. Here I go into props. This object is called children. And this object is all these children that are inside of this page wrapper. You can see this H1, this div, this button are all these React elements that are inside of this children array. So what I can do inside of wrapper is actually output props.children. You'll see we get our page back. And that's because in order to output these children inside of our component, we have to access this special children prop. Where this is really handy is for things like this. You have a page wrapper, you have a bunch of pages within your app that you want to be wrapping with the same type of component, and you want to giving like style and structure to a page. Stay tuned for more videos. I have tons of other tutorials, and thanks.